Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you need to find where the cigarette lighter, fuses and relays are located, where you can expect to find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them guys completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, the cigarette lighter, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban here. Excuse me, the only difference between the Tahoe and the Suburban is the length of the vehicle, but they're built on the same platform, so it should actually work for both. We'll be working in multiple fuse boxes today guys, and when I say multiple, up to 3 of them. Where? First open the driver door. When you open the driver door, you need to go ahead and open that cover on the side of the dash right here. Just remove it and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, what we need to check now, we're going to zoom in. This is the front side of the fuse box, and if you look right here guys, okay, the fuse that we will need to check right now guys, okay, that fuse will be known as fuse number 4. We're talking about that fuse right here guys, fuse number 4 right there. That's the one that you will need to check. This fuse here will need to be checked. Now we have another one that we have on the back side of the fuse box. If you remove the back side of the fuse box, you will have fuse number 50. We're talking about this one right here that you will need to check. Then on the passenger side, we need to open that cover as well. You see, you have the same cover on the side of the dash. Remove it, you have another fuse box. Here, what we need to check guys specifically, again, fuse number 4, that 20 amp fuse. Right here will need to be checked. And here, if you turn the back side, you have another one as well. That's fuse number 50 on the passenger side. Then guys, you have another one in the trunk. So open the trunk on your Chevy Tahoe Suburban. Here in the back you see that cover, remove it. Underneath you have another fuse box, and that fuse box, okay, let me show you what it looks like now. Okay, like this one. And here guys, we need to find fuse number 14. You wonder where it's located. If you come to that section right here, we're talking about that 20 amp fuse right here. That's the one that you will need to check as well. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck, guys, in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.